Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix my BeReal camera. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these tips as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar what you need to type in is BeReal. Now once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then tap on settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage and once it loads, scroll all the way down and then tap on BeReal app. And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.